Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 affordable eyebrow products that I absolutely swear by. So if you want more natural looking eyebrows, or if you want those sharp defined Instagram eyebrows, or if you just want a quick eyebrow pencil to get done with, or if you want eyebrow powders, I have everything covered in today's video. So yeah, if you want to know my top 5 affordable eyebrow products, then please keep on watching. So the first product that I have on my list is by Swiss Beauty. This is their 2-in-1 eyebrow and gel eyeliner. This comes with an eyebrow powder on top with a mirror, and at the bottom is the gel eyeliner. So it's a 2-in-1 product, and the MRP of this is just 299 rupees, and in that price you're getting 2 products, which is the absolute steal deal. So this eyebrow powder is so easy to work with, it's so easy to blend, and it's got the perfect pigmentation. All you need is just that one stroke to achieve the perfect intensity, and it looks so natural on the eyes. It looks so beautiful. It doesn't look patchy or cakey at all, which is the best part. And as you can see, it makes such a world of a difference when you do your brows. So this is a very easy, a very convenient and a quick way of doing your eyebrows. The second eyebrow product that I have is by Sugar. This is their Arch Arrival Brow Pen in the shade 04 Felix Onyx. Now I don't know if you can see, but with the help of this applicator, you can achieve 4 strokes at a time. Let me just give you a swatch on my hand. So as you can see, you can get like 4 different strokes all at just one time, which is the best part, and it makes the application so easy and quick. This comes in 2 shades. The shade that I have is Felix Onyx, which is more on the grey side, and it also comes in a brown tone shade. You're getting 4 micro strokes at a time, so the application is really precise and quick. You don't even require like an eyebrow spoolie to like brush out the product and to disperse it out, because it's already applied very precisely. So overall, if you're always in a hurry to like get your eyebrows done, and if you're not really good at doing your eyebrows, then this product is gonna come really handy for you, because it's very easy to use, beginner friendly, it's so quick and efficient, and it gives you very good perfect looking eyebrows without having to do a lot of mehnat. So I highly recommend this for beginners and just in general if you're always in a hurry. You can find all the products that I showed in today's video in my haul pack store, the link for which I've mentioned in the description box below. When you click on any product, it will take you to my haul pack store, and from there you can make a purchase. So this is shopping made easy. You can find all the products that you like in just one single click. The next eyebrow product that I have is by Nykaa. It's their Take a Brow Eyebrow Filler. This is actually an eyebrow powder which comes with a wand applicator. So you've got to like take the wand and start applying the product on your eyebrows, and it's gonna turn into a powder form. Now this is amazing if you already have like very bushy eyebrows, and if you just have like tiny bits and tiny gaps where you need to cover, or if you're looking for natural looking eyebrows, if you don't really have a lot of job to be done on your eyebrows, then this is amazing. But if you have sparse eyebrows like me, where you need those strokes, those hair strokes, where you need a lot of filling, then this is not going to look as natural. The application part is very quick. All you need to do is just apply this in the shape of your eyebrows and just brush out your eyebrows. That's it. It's going to fill in your eyebrows and set them in place at the same time. So it's a good product if you already have like dark and bushy brows, but if you have sparse and light brows, and if you need those brow strokes, then I don't really recommend this for you. The fourth eyebrow product that I have is this PAC Super Brow Cream. Now this is not an eyebrow pomade, but it's more like an eyebrow cream. It's got that gel eyeliner wala consistency, and as you can see, it's so creamy. It's nothing like those waxy brow pomades. This is very easy to apply. You just need that one light handed stroke and it's gonna do the job for you, which also makes it not so beginner friendly. Only if you're a professional, only if you're into doing your eyebrows really precisely will you be able to handle this product, because you can go wrong with this very easily. You need to go in with very light-handed feather strokes, and as you can see, it is so pigmentation in just one single stroke. It applies just as smoothly as a gel eyeliner, but once it sets in place, once it dries, it sets your eyebrows very beautifully, just like a waxy pomade. It looks very bold, very defined, and if you're into very well defined arched Instagram eyebrows, then this product is going to be amazing for you, because you can achieve that kind of a look with the help of this PAC Super Brow Cream. This comes in 6 shades. The shade that I have is called 04 Burnt Amber, which is more like a grayish blackish shade, but this also comes in a lot of other shades of grey and brown. I'm so glad that's off. That just looked so weird on just one single eyebrow. Anywho, moving on to the 5th eyebrow product. This is by Color Bar. This is their stunning brow pencil in the shade Chestnut. It comes with the eyebrow pencil on one end and a spoolie at the other end. And I just find this very convenient, because I don't have to carry a separate spoolie to brush out my eyebrows. I can just like throw this one product in my bag and it's gonna do the job for me. I absolutely love the consistency. Now if you have all the time in the world to fill in your eyebrows, then only should you be using an eyebrow pencil like this, because it takes forever to fill in your eyebrows, especially if you have sparse eyebrows like mine. Anyway, the consistency of this eyebrow pencil is just the right amount of waxy and creamy. It applies smoothly and it sets your brows in place because of the waxiness. And I absolutely love the spoolie at the other end. This is like the best spoolie that I've ever come across. Blends the product beautifully and just combs them so well. Now I'm not a pro at doing my eyebrows, especially with the help of these eyebrow pencils, but I sort of did a decent job. I'm more into using eyebrow powders, as I feel like they look so much more natural on me and I can handle them way better. Even after so many years of being a beauty blogger, I am still a beginner at eyebrows. I don't know why. Anywho, if you are into using eyebrow pencils and if you want a more affordable version of a good eyebrow pencil, you can also try out this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil, or maybe Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. They both perform almost similar. They both have the pencil at one end and a brush on the cap. The brush isn't the best brush. It's not like a spoolie, it's like a brush. It does disperse the product well, blend it well, and just brush out your eyebrows in general. But spoolie ka kaam fir bhi spoolie hi karta hai. But still it works pretty decently, and it's only priced at around 65 or 75 rupees, which is a complete steal deal. And it comes in 4 colors, that is grey, black, brown and another shade. So yeah, those were my top 5 affordable eyebrow products that I absolutely love, and I hope you guys were also able to find the right eyebrow product for your eyebrows. Also let me know in the comment section below which is the eyebrow product that you use the most, that you love the most. I would also love to try it out. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.